Hi, this is from Sose University. This is job opening for the technology Android developer for the company CareerPartner. The location is Bangalore. They are looking for two plus years of industrial experience, Android application and SDK development. Good knowledge about Jetpack Compose is good to have. Good understanding of OOPS and data structure and algorithm is required. The second technology is Android Kotlin developer. For the company Viral Technologies Private Limited, the location is Bangalore. They are looking for 4 to 10 years of experience candidate and minimum two mobile apps must be developed using Kotlin and live in the App Store. Good knowledge about Kotlin, Jagger, and MVVM is a must-have. The third technology is senior software engineer for the company Rebolt network. The location is anywhere. They are looking for you are responsible for all the software that you develop, and hence unit system testing is a part of your job. You would be developing state-of-the-art mobile application by and looking systems is there. And the fourth technology is .NET developer for the company CampusHyre. The location is Bangalore. They are looking for minimum 3 years of experience candidate in .NET application and familiar with the architecture style like AI, APIs, and understanding about agile methodologies. And experience required is 2 plus years. The job location is Noida. The fifth technology is Java full stack developer for the company Intelliswift software. The location is Bangalore. They are looking for 5 plus years of experience candidate, and the primary skills must be Java, Spring Boot, and Hibernate and SQL or PSQL is required. Requirements are 5 plus years of software development experience, 2 plus years of Hibernate experience is mandatory, and experience in UI technologies preferable like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, etc. The links for these jobs will be given in the video description, so you can apply that directly. Please subscribe to the Source University channel for the more job details. Thank you.